Yo, what's up guys, it's ApTreX here. Today in this video we'll be taking a look at the brand new GameHub Emulator version 6.1.0 update that has just launched, and it provides you with better performance, new improvements and new settings. To get started, the GameHub Emulator that you are seeing right now is the CN version of GameHub that I am running on my Android device. I have already talked about how to set up GameHub CN for its cloud gaming facilities, where you can simply select any game that you want to play, tap on this button and it will automatically start running on your Android device. So even if you are on the global version of GameHub Emulator, to update it to 6.1.0, go to this section. Afterwards, go to the settings option, and if you scroll down to the above section, you guys can see the GameHub Emulator version 6.1.0 has released. Now, as it is in Chinese, here is the translated changelog section, so you guys will be able to play via cloud gaming even if you are adding that game on your Android device. Let's say you add a game from Steam. While it is being added, you can directly tap on play via cloud gaming and the game will successfully start. Optimized game recommendations, added new tutorial, guest mode, so you don't really need to log into GameHub Emulator anymore if you want to use the cloud gaming feature. Added a cloud gaming newbie bonus package allowing for one-click recharge at a time, which is very amazing, and I am pretty sure this GameHub update of cloud gaming is going to roll in Play Store as well. And here you guys can see the final changelog is fixed some issues and improved stability. To get started, we'll simply tap on this button and update the emulator. Once it has been successfully updated, simply restart it, and now in 2026 there is no question, like literally zero question, GameHub is the best Windows emulator for Android devices. You can play all your PC games, console games without any issues. So to add your PC games, we'll simply swipe up, tap on the plus button and tap on this button once more. For today's video, we'll be trying out GTA 4, so I'll simply add it, tap on this button to add the game, and here we go, it has been successfully added. If we simply tap on this button and go to PC game settings, it will automatically update the internal assets, and this is where I generally prefer the global version of GameHub Emulator because all the settings are in English, but most of the settings you can generally know. For example, the screen resolution, GPU drivers, DXVK version, etc. In terms of GPU driver, I don't actually need to change anything. These are by default one of the best configurations for GameHub Emulator according to the game that we are playing. Proton 11 Wine version has also been selected, so it will provide you with best performance. And in terms of CPU translator, we'll choose the latest fix June 18th version, and that's about it guys. If you want to change any settings, I would recommend you guys to change the graphics driver that you are using. So here I'll go with Turnip Gen version 32, Wicked A3D Proton, etc. You can keep it as default. With that being said, let's simply swipe back, tap on this button to see how well does our game work. Now first of all, the device which I am using is OnePlus 15 with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and 16GB of RAM. And second of all, the minimum requirements for GameHub Emulator are pretty less, like you just need a Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 processor or above, Android version 10 or above, that's about it. It works well with all kind of devices including Mali GPU Android devices. And if we just go ahead and swipe back, go to settings, here we'll enable full screen mode. You can also enable frame interpolation or frame skipping. I have set the FPS limit to 120. Let's see how well does our GTA 4 work on our Android device. So here we go, our game has successfully started. You know what, I am so confident that this game will run very nicely on my Android device that I won't even change any of the graphics settings. By default they will be in high resolution, and you might be wondering why am I testing out GTA 4 instead of GTA 5. The first thing is that GTA 4 is actually less optimized than GTA 5, and generally speaking it used to also have more graphical issues compared to GTA 5. So even performance wise it was less than GTA 5, because as you know GTA 4 is the worst optimized PC game ever released by Rockstar Games. So here we go, after a few seconds of loading it says starting a new game, The Cousins Bellic. So there we go, our game has successfully started. You can press the A button to actually skip the intro cutscene, and here the game begins. Immediately you can see we are still getting over 90 FPS while emulating this game on our mobile device. If you guys just go back and watch my 2-year-old Windows emulation test of GTA 4 on Android device video, you guys would see that I would barely get like 10 to 15 FPS, but now even in unoptimized games like GTA 4 the performance has improved so much, like drastic improvements, making all of your favorite PC games playable on Android devices itself, except for only two things. Multiplayer titles like Valorant etc are not playable because there is no multiplayer support, and newer titles generally like few of the highest and latest titles will be unplayable. Other than that, even 007 First Light and games like that are completely playable inside GameHub Emulator now, so that is very impressive. And even with highest settings and unoptimized gameplay, you guys can see I am getting more than 49 to 50 FPS. If we decrease the graphics quality even further, then we'll get even better performance, that is guaranteed. Here we go, another cutscene begins. Now inside house you guys will be able to see we are getting stable 110 to 120 FPS, so that is nothing to joke about. Like it is the refresh rate of your device, you are getting the same FPS. So do let me know in the comment section down below, what do you prefer more, the GameHub CN version or the global version? I think global version will get cloud gaming features. I'm not sure, I have not not tested the global 6.1.0 update. So if you are on the global version, let me know in the comment section down below, because if you try the global version, then the CN version will be removed. So that is basic logic. Anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on all notification. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.